Welcome to Fortcode's Business Studies course. In this comprehensive program, we will equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in the world of business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this course is designed to provide you with a solid foundation in key business concepts. From understanding market dynamics to developing effective marketing strategies, we cover it all. Our experienced instructors will guide you through a series of engaging lessons, interactive exercises, and real-world case studies. You'll learn how to analyze financial statements, create business plans, and make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. But it's not just about theory. We believe in hands-on learning, so you'll have plenty of opportunities to apply what you've learned in practical scenarios. Our simulations and group projects will challenge you to think critically and develop your problem-solving skills. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence and expertise to navigate the complexities of the business world. Whether you're looking to start your own venture or advance your career, Fortcode's Business Studies course is your gateway to success. Enroll now and unlock your potential in the world of business. Visit our website at Fortcode App Course Business Studies to learn more and get started today.